Nishant Sharma selected in JEE Advanced with All India rank 1731. He has joined IIT Roorkee. We have produced one of the best results in Jabalpur. Astik Guru selected in JEE Advanced with All India rank 2171. He has joined IIT Kanpur. Mohit Rajbhar selected in JEE Advanced with All India rank 2228. He has joined IIT Roorkee. Astitva Gupta selected in JEE Advanced with All India rank 3013. He has joined IIT BHU. Samay Jain selected in JEE Advanced with All India rank 3645. He has joined IIT. मैं GCF नंबर 2 की प्रिंसिपल मैडम सैमुअल को स्टेज पे इनवाइट करना चाहती हूँ. समय जैन, Mihir Kumar Badkun selected in JEE Advanced with All India rank 3955. He has joined IIT BHU. Vaishali Namdev selected in NEET with marks 640. He has joined NSCB Medical College. Sameer Patel selected in NEET with marks 618. He has joined Government Medical College, Indore. Same list. Adarsh Patel Adarsh Agrawal selected in NEET with marks 598. He has joined Government Medical College, Gwalior. Praveen Patel selected in NEET with marks 594. He has joined Government Medical College, Rewa. Nimisha Singh Parihar selected in NEET with marks 593. He has joined Government Medical College, Gwalior. Ashish Pratap Singh Ashish Pratap Singh, selected in NEET with marks 585. He has joined Government Medical College, Vidisha. Ashish Pratap Singh. Deepak Tirthani, selected in NEET with marks 583. He has joined Government Medical College, Ratlam. Dev Pandey, selected in NEET with marks 583. He has joined Government Medical College, Shahdol. Utkarsh Rangdele, हमारे बीच में डॉक्टर आशीष डिंगरा सर प्रेजेंट है. ही इज MBBS MD मेडिसिन, CPS डायबिटोलॉजी. ही हैज फर्दर परस्यूड स्पेशलाइज्ड ट्रेनिंग इन डायबिटोलॉजी. आई वुड लाइक आशीष सर टू प्लीज वेलकम हिम. उत्कर्ष रांगडेले. Muskan Sen, selected in NEET with marks 573. She has joined Atal Bihari Vajpayee Government College, Vidisha. Muskan Ali, selected in NEET with marks 569. She has joined Government Medical College, Chhindwara. Muskan Ali. Shekhar Suman Lakhera, selected in NEET with marks 567. He has joined Government Medical College, Shahdol. Dipali Sharma, selected in NEET with marks 563. She has joined Government Medical College, Shahdol. ताली बजती रहें. Anuj Namdev, selected in NEET with marks 560. He has joined Government Medical College, Shahdol. तालियां बजती रहें. बहुत ही मेहनत की है इन बच्चों ने. Supriya Agrawal, selected in NEET with marks 560. She has joined Government Medical College, Shahdol. Priyanshu Jharia, selected in NEET with marks 430. He has joined Government Medical College, Shahdol. Nikita Singh, निकिता सिंह के प्रिंसिपल और ये अजय सर. अजय ठीक. निकिता सिंह, सिलेक्टेड इन नीट विथ मार्क्स 350. ये आकांक्षा योजना के छात्र हैं. मैं इनके साथ अजय सर और वेग सर को भी इनवाइट करना चाहूंगी स्टेज पे. सर प्लीज. तालियां बजती रहें सभी पेरेंट्स. भुवनेश्वरी, भुवनेश्वरी. Harsh Gupta, selected in JEE Advance with All India rank 5251. He has joined IIT Dhanbad. Shivansh Chakravarti, selected in JEE Advance with All India rank 7207. He has joined IIT Bombay. शिवांश चक्रवर्ती, तालियां बजाएं सब लोग. Sarvagya Jain selected in JEE Advanced with All India rank 8283. He has joined IIT Kanpur. Akash Bhalla, Vedant Kotia, Shahbaz Alam Ansari selected in JEE Advanced with All India rank 9049. He has joined NIT Andhra Pradesh. Harshvardhan Kushwaha selected in JEE Advanced with All India rank 9300. Sejal Sahu selected in JEE Advanced with All India rank 10,166. Sejal Sahu, Priyanshu Maurya. टाइम की थोड़ी शॉर्टेज है, प्लीज जिनका नाम लूं फटाफट स्टेज पे आ जाएं. प्रियांशु मौर्य, निशांत महावर, साहिल विश्वकर्मा, देवाशीष चक्रवर्ती, उदय सिंह ठाकुर, चैतन्य बलानी, शिवांग पांडे, हैप्पी पचौरी, भानु प्रताप सिंह, अमन पाल, ओम धापोड़कर, पूर्वी देसाई, अंश रूसिया, निलय सिंह, देविका साहू, रोहित चौधरी, कमलेश टेकाम, अनुष्का बाकड़े, मोहित परते, अरुषि कांबले, आनंद कुमार, कुणाल कुरील, ऋषि चौरसिया, परवाज अली, दीपांशु प्रसाद. Shahbaz Alam Ansari selected in JEE Advanced with All India rank 9049. Krish Kanojia, Ayushi Bairam. Sejal Sahu selected in JEE Advanced with All India rank 10,166. Nishant Mahavar selected in JEE Advanced with All India rank 11,409. Sahil Vishkarma selected in JEE Advanced with All India rank 11,608. Devashish Chakrabarti selected in JEE Advanced with All India rank 12,008. मैं ममता भट्टाचार्य मैडम को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि प्लीज मैडम स्टेज पे आए. सभी लोग तालियां बजाते रहें. उदय सिंह ठाकुर selected in JEE Advanced with All India rank 13,210. He's joined BITS Pilani. Shivang Pandey selected in JEE Advanced with 15,175. He has joined IIT Bhubaneswar. Happy Pachori selected in JEE Advanced with All India rank 16,123. He has joined IIT Kanpur. Bhanu Pratap Singh selected in JEE Advanced. He has joined IIT Kharagpur. Aman Pal, selected in JEE Advanced. He has joined IIT Kanpur. Om Dhapodkar, selected in JEE Advanced. He has joined VIT Vellore. Purvi Desai, selected in JEE Advanced. She has joined IIT BHU. Momentum, as you can see, has produced the best result of Central India. एक बार तालियां बजा दे जोर के. अंश रूसिया, selected in JEE Advanced. हाँ हो गया. Krish Kanojiya, आयुषी बैराम, कोई ऐसा बच्चा जिसका नाम अनाउंस नहीं हुआ है, प्लीज एक बार बता दें. अंश रूसिया, selected in JEE Advanced. He has joined IIT Gwalior. Nilay Singh, selected in JEE Advanced. He has joined IIT Nagpur. Devika Sahu, selected in JEE Advanced. She has joined IIT Kanpur. Rohit Chaudhary, selected in JEE Advanced. She has joined RGIPT. Kamlesh Tekam, selected in JEE Advanced. She has joined IIT Patna. Anushka Bakre, selected in JEE Advanced. She has joined IIT Jodhpur. Mohit Parte, selected in JEE Advanced. She has joined IIT Kharagpur. Arushi Kamble, selected in JEE Mains. She has joined Manet Bhopal. Anand Kumar, selected in JEE Mains. She has joined Manet Bhopal. Kunal Kuril, selected in JEE Mains. He has joined Manet Bhopal. Rishi Chaurasia, selected in JEE Advanced. Parvaz Ali, selected in JEE Advanced. Dipanshu Prasad, selected in JEE Advanced.